Hello everyone, today we're diving into the GOACC GRC-49 19 PCs trim removal toolset, a versatile and essential kit for anyone involved in automotive, marine, furniture, or aircraft trim removal and installation. This comprehensive set includes 19 different tools, perfect for tackling door panels, moldings, window trims, clips, fasteners, emblems, panels, radios, and more, ensuring you have the right tool for every job. Crafted from impact-resistant nylon material, these tools are designed to protect your car's paint, preventing any scratches or damage during the modification process. The ergonomic design of the tools makes them lightweight and easy to handle, reducing effort and fatigue during both interior and exterior car trimming tasks. Plus, the set comes with a convenient portable zipper storage pouch, so you can keep all your tools organized and never worry about losing them. Included in this package are 11 interior trim disassemble tools, 2 release tools, 2 stereo removal tools, 3 car terminal removal tools, 1 trim clip removal plier, and the handy storage bag. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this tool set is a must-have for efficient and safe trim removal. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.